build a rocket. Is covered in which of these vehicles can help us? No, that's right. It's a bulldozer. There are some really big rocks on the road. Let's help clear them up. Keep tapping on the rocks to break them down into smaller chunks. Perfect! 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 Well done. We've cleared the bridge. We need to build a rocket. Let's put all the parts together and see what we can make. Rocket body. Rocket body. Nose cone. Window. Main engine. 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 Wow, that went great.